So you have the superior vena cava, which branches into the left and right brachiocephalic. And that's just that short little segment right there. Then that branches into the subclavian vein and the external jugular vein. And I'm actually not sure. I think the internal jugular is further up in here.
You think there'll be a quiz on it if you can't see it? Probably not. Okay.
Probably not.
Don't worry about it then.
So then for the lower veins, you have the inferior vena cava, the renal vein, which runs to the kidneys, and the common iliac vein, which is the large fork that...
Blue one?
Yeah, the inferior vena cava splits into the right and left and right external iliac vein.
Okay.
So then for arteries, you have the aortic arch, which branches into the first branch is the left subclavian artery, and then you have the next large branch, which is the brachiocephalic artery, and that's just a short segment there. Off of the brachiocephalic comes the right and left common carotids, which run up on the side of the trachea, and then you have, so after the right common carotid, the brachiocephalic turns into the right subclavian, and that runs down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think that's it.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, well, down here, then you already know, like descending aorta, yeah, descending aorta, the renal artery, and then iliac arteries.
Okay, cool. Thank you.